Large language models are powerful, but they are often misunderstood. An LLM by itself is not an AI agent. An LLM is mainly a reasoning engine. It reads text, understands context, and predicts what text should come next. That is its core job. It does not remember things forever and does not take actions in the real world. Inside an AI agent, the LLM plays the role of the brain. It understands the goal, reads instructions, reasons through the problem, and decides what should happen next. But the LLM does not actually execute anything. For example, imagine an AI agent used in finance to review monthly expenses. The LLM can understand what an expense report looks like, what an unusual transaction might be, and how to explain it in simple language. But the LLM does not pull data from the bank or update any system on its own. Instead, the LLM decides what needs to be done, like fetching transaction data or generating a summary. Other parts of the agent then carry out those actions. This separation is very important. When people rely only on an LLM, they often face issues like hallucinations or inconsistent behavior. When the LLM is used inside an agent with rules and tools around it, the system becomes much more reliable. So the right way to think about it is simple. The LLM thinks, the agent acts.